Hey there, space enthusiasts. I've got a story that's out of this world and a bit alarming. Today, we're diving into the cosmic clutter that's threatening our prize satellite space junk. You see, space junk refers to the remnants of defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and fragments from collisions. These bits and pieces, some as small as paint flecks, are zipping around Earth at speeds up to 17,500 miles per hour. At those speeds, even tiny debris can do massive damage. Imagine this: a satellite the size of a school bus, providing crucial data for weather forecasts, GPS, or communication, suddenly gets struck by a piece of debris the size of a marble. The impact could be catastrophic, creating more debris and potentially triggering a chain reaction known as the Kessler syndrome. That's where the density of objects in low Earth orbit becomes so high that collisions generate more space debris, leading to even more collisions. It's a dangerous feedback loop. Now, why should you care? Well, satellites are the backbone of modern technology. From your morning weather report to your late-night Netflix binge, they're silently working behind the scenes. A single collision can knock out services, disrupt communication, and even pose risks to future space missions. But don't lose hope. Scientists and engineers are on the case, developing innovative solutions to tackle this issue. Think of giant space nets, harpoons, and even ground-based lasers to nudge debris out of harm's way. There's even talk about creating space tow trucks to remove large debris. These futuristic ideas might sound like science fiction, but they're closer to reality than you think. As space enthusiasts, it's our duty to stay informed and support these efforts. The safety and sustainability of our space activities depend on it. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember the invisible battle being fought to keep our satellites safe. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this cosmic tale, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more space stories. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground.